What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Insignia noise canceling over-the-ear headphones I picked up at Best Buy for 99 bucks. If you didn't already know, Insignia is Best Buy's brand, so that's their generic brand for products. If you go to Walmart, it's Great Value or Mainstays. At Best Buy, it's Insignia. And usually they offer products, similar products to that of competing brands for lower prices. With these headphones, you're not really getting any branding or anything that you don't want. You're actually getting some really basic, essential features that make any pair of modern noise canceling headphones advanced. So you're getting that Bluetooth connection, of course, noise cancellation. These offer up to 20 hours battery life. And what's actually most fascinating about these for $99 and the fact that they are Best Buy's generic brand is the fact that they come with this touch control feature on the side, which apparently, according to the website, they allow you to play, pause, and fast forward and rewind tracks. If you guys actually remember the JBL Live 650 BT noise cancellation headphones I reviewed a few weeks ago, the touchpad was basically useless on them and they were $150. Nonetheless, we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing and a first impressions of these headphones today and see how they sound and see if they are any good. Like I said, they were 99 bucks. You're not really getting much. As you can see, you're getting just this basic plastic packaging here. Nonetheless, if you can get over the fact that these come in a plastic box, I think you will be happy. So you get some other stuff in the box there. You get a user manual, which is really nice. You're getting everything that you get in a normal pair of headphones, except you don't get USB Type-C, you get USB Type-A to micro USB. So if these do run out of battery, you can go and switch over to the 3.5 to 3.5 and use them that way. Nonetheless, like I said, from the box, they do offers up to 20 hours battery life, which is really nice. Nonetheless, I'm really happy to see that they come with a 3.5 to 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. The JBL Live 650 BTNC I reviewed a few weeks ago came with just a simple 3.5 to proprietary. Let's get into the headphones. You shouldn't have to worry about that 3.5 millimeter headphone jack all that much due to the fact that these are Bluetooth enabled. They are wireless. Right off the bat, there's absolutely no branding, no Insignia logos, except for on the top of the headband there, as you can probably tell. Pretty discreet though. The ear cups are a little bit on the big side, and the build quality is actually not that bad. They are a little bit on the plasticky side. Other headphones that cost a little bit more were built out of nicer materials. They felt a little bit more sturdy. This is just a simple leather band, plastic ear cups, plastic headband. The only thing really metal about these headphones are the screws used to hold everything together. So on the side here, you get your charging port, which like I said before, is micro USB. What's really cool though is you do get a 3.5 millimeter headphone port. So if these do run out of battery, you can switch over to the port and plug them into your phone and listen to them that way. You can turn active noise cancellation on or off via that button right there. Stop sound from coming through the ear cups. So we've got them turned on. Let's go ahead and connect to the Google Pixel 3a here and see if we can see what they sound like. These are pretty basic headphones. They're actually very comfortable. Like I said, the build quality is not entirely there. They're not terrible by any stretch of the mean. They're actually very comfortable. Okay, so what's really awesome about these headphones is that they do have a built-in mic. So if you want to activate the voice assistant that you have to your device, connected to your device, you can absolutely positively do that with these headphones. That also means you can make and receive calls. These are some pretty good headphones. They don't sound terrible by any means. They are not uncomfortable. The sound quality, it sounds like they're trying to be too much of everything at once. So it's like They're trying to have rich bass, they're trying to have clear trebles, clear midtones, but they just don't have the necessary audio equipment on the inside to accomplish all that at once. That being said, I wish that these were a little bit less bass focused and more focused on midtones or trebles. I imagine that you can just go into your equalizer settings on your device and simply select maybe treble booster or midtone booster or whatever, and maybe correct that issue. Nonetheless, these are actually pretty comfortable. They're actually pretty good. They're not bad. They're not terrible by any stretch of the means. They have a built-in microphone so you can make and receive calls, up to 20 hours battery life. You can use the touchpad on the side to play, pause, fast forward tracks, which is really convenient, which is something that a lot of over-the-ear headphones lack at this price point. For 99 bucks, you're really getting a fantastic pair of over-the-ear noise-canceling headphones. The build quality is not there, the audio quality is not entirely there, but it's not terrible. I'm telling you, it's not terrible. They're good. They're good headphones. If you just want a pair of over-the-ear noise-canceling headphones, like if you just don't want to spend $350 on noise-canceling headphones, you can pick up these Insignia over-the-ear active noise cancellation headphones at Best Buy for 99 bucks. My name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please subscribe, give a like or dislike. Your feedback is appreciated either way. It helps me to get better. My name is John, and I will see you in the next video.